In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import your contacts to Gozen. There are three ways to import your contacts. One is import by .csv file, manually adding a single subscriber, or connect with API key. The first I'm going to show you how to import subscribers from .csv file. Click on the Import Contact button from the Audience page, and then click on Import from .csv file tab. Drag and drop the file containing your contacts into the box or choose it from your computer. It will automatically start uploading. Click on the Next button. To organize your contacts, mark the column and label the contact information. After that, click on the Next button. Then, you need to categorize the contacts depending on the email marketing status, such as subscribed or unsubscribed, and provide a list of names as well as location from which they were exported from. And then, when you click on the next button, it automatically begins to start importing your contacts. If any of your imported contacts already exist in your audience, the data from your imports will be automatically replaced. Next, we'll see how to add a single subscriber to your Gozen account. Click on the Create Contacts from the Audience page and fill out the first name, email, last name, phone number, language, country, and state. Click Save to add your contact to the list. In this video tutorial, we have learned how to import your subscribers to your Gozen account. Watch the remaining video tutorials where I go through each section in detail. Thank you.